Hey, welcome to my channel Weld Guru. TransSteel Pulse is best welding machine for manual applications. TransSteel is all-rounder MIG-MAG welding machine that can weld aluminium, steel, stainless steel and almost all weldable metals in the world. It can weld ferrous as well as non-ferrous materials, so ideal for welding, brazing, hard facing, cladding and many welding challenges. Fronius offers excellent tech support and service, so you can get job prove-out support, and also, you can get a trail on your job then buy machine. Fronius TransSteel available variants. TransSteel 3000C Pulse, indult wire feeder, compact version. TransSteel 4000 Pulse and TransSteel 5000 Pulse comes with split version means separate wire feeder. Fronius TransSteel Pulse, the real all-rounder MIG-MAG welder. Yes, you heard it right. Fronius make TransSteel Pulse power sources are rocking the market. The reason is its all-rounder capability, durability, economical pricing and ease of operating. Fronius recently launched Pulse for its TransSteel series, which made this legendary MIG welding machine real all-rounder. As due to Pulse now there are dedicated synergic lines available for MIG-MAG welding, MIG brazing of QL and QC and SSCRNI stainless steel MAG welding, so it can weld all weldable metals in the world. So we call it best MIG welding machine. TransSteel available welding processes: MIG-MAG pulse welding, MIG-MAG standard synergic welding, TIG welding, manual metal arc welding. Up to 167 different weld characteristics available, like steel, stainless steel, aluminium, metal cord, rutile, flux cord, basic, self-shielded. You can use 0.8 to 1.6 mm wire diameter and 8 different gas mix. Let's explore functions available in TransSteel Pulse. Multi-process and multi-metals. Easy to operate. Superior weld quality. Comes with 3 years warranty. Synchro Pulse. Get ripples in weld without weaving. With the Synchro Pulse, the welding power alternates between two operating points at a frequency of up to 5 Hz, as the change between high and low current facilitates welding in a vertical up position. Pulse PCS. Pulse controlled spray arc, in which you will get benefits of pulse, heat control and spray, higher deposition and deeper penetration. So combined benefits of pulse and spray transfer can be achieved with PCS characteristics. Spot and stitch function. This is the intelligent function of Fronius TransSteel power source, where you can set required spot size. You can do interval stitch welding by setting interval break time between each spot. It will produce beautiful weld appearance. Ideal function for thin sheet welding and gap bridging. In spot mode, you can set required weld time, and system will automatically turn off the arc after set time, so you can achieve same spot size for every tack weld. Save up to 5 easy jobs. You can save your set parameters on easy jobs option, so if someone disturbs parameters, single click on easy job will retrieve your saved job data. Useful to save jobs for different thicknesses and metals, so your welder just needs to click on job number and starts the weld. Benefits of Pulse MIG welding machine: lower heat input, low spatters, better and flatter bead appearance, vast range of materials can be welded,